Hey guys, what is up? Today's video will show you how to build Reddit karma quickly. So if you're a Redditor and you want to have high karma on Reddit, then this video is for you, so stay tuned. All right, so we are now in reddit.com, arguably the most active message board slash forum slash cesspool in the internet. And you might be wondering, like, how do some people have really high karma? And as you can see, I have 21.8k karma. That's fairly high. But then again, this account has been here for a long time. So some people have way higher because they're more active. Me, not so much. So what is Reddit karma? So what we need to do, if you're not aware, is go to google.com and type in what is Reddit karma for. So it says here, based on Zapier, what is Reddit karma? Reddit karma is like a user's score totaling their amount of upvotes against their downvotes. So if you comment on something and people like your comment, they're gonna like your comment. They're gonna upvote your comment. If you say something that people dislike or hate, they're gonna downvote you to oblivion. And yeah, it has a few practical benefits, namely allowing you to start your own subreddit and join some exclusive communities. But mostly, it's about reputation. So it's pretty much your social score, kind of, on the internet, right? And this is the Reddit homepage. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you a few subreddits that are huge and how to either post a discussion, post a topic, or comment on a topic. So the basics of it is very simple. Say something nice about a certain hot topic. Most of the time, if you want to get your Reddit score high very quickly, is if for example you're a Genshin Impact player, right? So we are now in the Genshin Impact subreddit, and as you can see here, uh, for example, this one, my Raiden Shogun cosplay. So this is a cosplay post by a cosplayer who obviously plays Genshin Impact, and it has 4.6k outvotes. So this is this is almost 16 hours ago, which is pretty much a day ago. So if you click on it, and there you go, very nice cosplay, right? And as you can see here, this top post here says, I have some respectful questions, which is funny. That's the reason why it has almost 1,000 upvotes. So if you say something funny that people like, you're going to get upvoted really fast, right? Now mine are down bad, but I'll keep them to myself. 800. So if it's something funny or it's something great, like something that can make people think or laugh or react and generate conversation, generate a buzz, you're probably going to get upvoted quite a bit. And there you go. This is for the Genshin Impact one. Yeah, like if you're into something, your hobbies, or maybe a country subreddit, you're gonna get upvoted fairly quickly. So another widely popular, especially today, subreddit is the ChatGPT one. And as you can see here, so my teacher said that half of my class is using ChatGPT. So in case I'm one of them, I'm gathering evidence to fend up for myself. And this is what I found. So this is an educational ChatGPT post. And as you can see, it has almost 21k upvotes, right? And if you click on this, this is and this is sarcastic slash humor. Wait, did you just find undeniable proof of an ancient and highly advanced civilization? It's because of about like something biblical, right? It has over 4k upvotes. That's how fast you can do. Once you're on top, once you hang out on a very popular subreddit. And as you can see here, ChatGPT has only been around for months. It's just not even a year, not even half a year, I think. And this subreddit has it has over 1.5 million followers at 1,521 over 1,521 million members, and there is almost 8K online redditors in this subreddit. So yeah, like if you hang out in a huge subreddit like this, and you it's not really brown nosing, but if you indulge in good conversation and positive conversation, you're gonna get a lot of upvotes. So this is another huge subreddit, the r/television subreddit. It has almost 17 million members. Right now it has barely 4K online redditors, but still, right? So this might be a good example for people who will be downvoted. It only has 1.4K, still high. And if you have something really funny that somebody who actually pays for Reddit stuff, you're gonna get something like this, an award. So if you want to find out who's downvoted, you're gonna see something like this that you need to expand, like a comment that you need to expand. Clicking on this, you see it has negative 21 downvotes. And again, this is about American politics, so there's going to be a lot of downvoting. So this is what it looks like. Posts that are, again, I'm going to say posts that are downvoted are usually, you need to expand it, like this one, right? It looks like this. So another big subreddit is the League of Legends subreddit. It has over 6 million followers. It has almost 10K active right now, right? Another one is the WWE wrestling subreddit. It has over 300,000. There's barely 1K. This isn't that big, but it's still huge, right? And then conspiracy, this is where you're gonna get a lot of downvotes and upvotes at the same time. So, so it has almost 2 million members. It has over 2K members active right now. So as you can see, this is where the crazies and the smart people kind of like intermingle. So as you can see here, they really talk about this is a place where if you want to see a lot of downvotes, this is where you'd want to go. Another huge community is the r/UFC. It has almost 1 million. It's over 2K right now, and as you can see, 1.1K. Let's see if we have like good upvotes here. Yeah, as you can see here, this is because it's about an attractive female fighter. There's gonna be a lot of like jokes. So this one is a bit of a sexual joke, I would assume. It has almost 1K upvotes, right? So yeah, that's pretty much how you that's pretty much the way on how you farm positive Reddit karma is through joining subreddits that are big. Of course, it's you're supposed to join Reddits that are big that you are into, right? Maybe it's your hobby, maybe it's your profession, maybe it's again from your country, your culture. And if you constantly engage in conversation or say something funny, something profound, like anything positive, usually will generate positive upvotes. And yeah, that's how you pretty much that's how you do it. That's how you farm positive Reddit karma. And that's it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next video.